Hello parents and kids, welcome to Mommy's Tiny Gems. Today, let us learn about some domestic or farm animals. This is Ayansh farm. We have made this farm out of the cardboard boxes and we have sticked many animals with their homes. I had many small toys and animals, so I have utilized them in this project. Today we will learn about many animals, their houses, the food they have and their little one or young one. I have added green color velvet paper at the bottom of this project and I had a beautiful picture talk paper related to these farm animals. So I have used it as a background. To provide the information about the shelter, the type of the animal, the food they eat, the young ones of the particular animals, I have added the notes of all the details near their shelters. I hope this is very helpful video for all parents and kids. Please don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends and family. So let us see how we made the project and every detail of this project. So this is the bullock cart. The bulls pull the cart. This is the shelter of the dog. The house of dog is called as kennel. Animal is dog. Its house is kennel. The food of the dog is bone or man-made things they eat. The baby of the dog is puppy. This is our pet dog. Her name is Stella. Now next, the name of the animal is donkey. Their house is called as barn or shed. They eat straw and the young one of the donkey is called as foal. Our next animal is cat. The house of cat is called as cattery. The food cat eats is fishes or they drink milk. The young one of cat is called as the kitten. This is our pet cat Maya and her kittens. Now the next animal is horse. Horses live in stable. They eat grass. The young one of the horse is called as foal. You can see a mama horse, daddy horse and a foal inside the stable. In the corner of our farm, there is small pond. Ducks are the birds. They eat small fishes and worms inside the pond. They live and swim in the pond. Young ones of duck are called as ducklings. Our next farm animal is sheep. The house of sheep is called as pen. They eat grass. The young one of sheep is lamb. The next animal is goat. Their house is pen. They also eat grass or leaves. The young one of goat is called as kid. This is a small well in our farm. Now I will tell you about the cow and its information. Cow lives in a shed. They eat grass. The young one of cow is called as calf. Cows give us milk. us to work in our farms. In many farms, there are hens and cocks. Their home is coop. They eat grains and small worms. The young ones of hen are chicken. We get eggs and chicken from hens. I have made this coop out of the paint stand. Tractors are the big helpers of every farmer. So this is the tractor. As per my opinion, it is important to take our kids to the nature and let them observe and learn by themselves about the animals. This was all about our project Ayansh Farm and its farm animals. So we saw here tractor, rabbit, hens, cocks, their coop, cows and their shelter, which is shed. We saw well, we saw sheep, goat, a small pond in the corner, ducks and ducklings. Then we saw horses, cat, donkey and a beautiful kennel of dog with its puppy and the bullock cart. So please tell us about your review. Thanks for watching.